everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Valentine's Day video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Valentine stitch surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day stitch surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line my paper up and give it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line my corners up one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're just going to begin by making a simple small heart. So above the fold, let's make a little bump that's just going to come up and down like this. Then we're going to make another one. It's just going to come up and down. Now underneath the fold, let's make a line that comes down at an angle. And then another line that comes down at an angle and meets at a point. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our heart. So first, let's begin with this one. I'm going to make this line come down a little bit. And then I'm going to make a couple little bumps in here like a bite's been taken out. Then I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to bring this one down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. Now, right here, I'm going to make an oval shape like this. I'm going to make one here, and then one more right here. Then right up here, I want to make Stitch's face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. And then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to make this big kind of circular shape for the nose. I'm going to make two little hooks on each side that I'll color in. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, down, and then back up like this. Then we're going to go down and up for the mouth. Let's make about 4 pointed teeth here, and then about 3 little pointed teeth here. Then we can make a little sad face for the tongue. Next, right here, let's draw a line that's going to come up and then down. And then same thing here. We're going to go up and then down right above the eye. Then we're going to come up here, make a couple little points, and then connect it. Next, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up to connect. Now for the ear, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up to here. And we can do the same thing over here. Make a little line that's going to curve up. Then I'm going to bring this line down. We'll put a little notch in here, and then we're going to bring it to here. We'll do the same thing here. We'll bring this down, but we'll put the notch down here and connect. Then we're going to make a little curve down, and then a little curve down. Next, right here for his arm, let's just begin by making a line that's going to come out. We're going to make 1, 2, 3, and then 4 little bumps. And we're going to connect it into here. Now, on this heart, I'm going to make this line come down, this one come up, and then we're going to make some little bumps here so it looks like another bite's taken out. Then we're going to bring this down. I'm going to put some little dots on here for claws. And then we can do that same thing on here. We're also going to make a little curve shape here. And then we can put a couple of lines here. Then inside the eyes, I'm going to make a heart shape. So I'm going to make a heart here, and then I'm going to make a heart over here. This looks like he's kind of mesmerized. Then we're going to make a line down here. Next, all around here, I want to make some extra little hearts kind of floating around. So I'm just going to make all these different size hearts all around here just to kind of add some detail to our background and just to kind of fill it up, give it a little bit more of that Valentine's feel. So we're just going to put hearts all over the place on our little stitch picture. And let's put a couple little more right over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Valentine stitch folding surprise. So when we have it all folded up, we've got a simple little heart. And then when we open it, we've got Stitch popping out, taking a bite out of the heart, so you can tell he's love struck. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.